In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens using pancakeswap or Uniswap with your Trust wallet. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Now, depending on whether you're dealing with BNB Smart Chain tokens or Ethereum tokens, you'll head to a different site. For BNB Smart Chain tokens, navigate to pancakeswap Finance. If you're working with Ethereum tokens, head to app.uniswap.org. These are the two most popular decentralized exchanges, often abbreviated as DEX for short. They provide a platform for you to swap different cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized intermediary. Once you've arrived at the website, the next thing you'll want to do is connect your Trust wallet. On the DEX site, look for the button that says Connect Wallet and give that a tap. You'll see a list of available wallet options appear. From these, select Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is known for its seamless integration with these platforms, allowing you to trade or swap tokens with just a few clicks. Make sure to allow the connection through the Trust Wallet browser or extension to move forward. This step is crucial as having the correct wallet connected ensures the security of your transactions and the successful swapping of your tokens. Now that your wallet is connected, it's time to select the token you wish to sell. At the top of the interface, you'll notice a From box. Tap on the token drop-down menu located here. You'll see a list of tokens appear. Choose your desired token. Let's say it could be popular options like Pepe or Shiba. However, if your token isn't listed directly, don't worry. You can retrieve the contract address from reliable sources like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Simply paste the contract address into the search bar, and your token should populate in the list. Next, you'll choose the token that you want to receive in the To box. A drop-down menu will allow you to select among commonly used tokens like BNB, ETH, or perhaps USDT. This swap feature is a key aspect of using these decentralized exchanges, letting you exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another seamlessly. Now that everything is set up, enter the amount of your chosen token that you wish to sell. When you're ready, tap on the swap button. This will initiate the transaction. Keep an eye on your Trust wallet for a pop-up requesting your approval. Confirm the transaction, then wait for the process to complete. It might take a few minutes, but once it's confirmed, you're all set. Finally, head back over to your Trust wallet to check if the new tokens have appeared. Your newly received tokens should show up automatically. If they don't seem to appear straight away, tap on Add Token. Here, you can paste the contract address of the new token and toggle it on to make sure it's visible in your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully completed a token swap using pancakeswap or Uniswap with Trust Wallet.